Ark Christian Dating App. So here is the app, dating for Christians, unapologetically Christian dating app made by Christians for single Christian men and women of all denominations, real people, Bible verified. Swipe with purpose, unapologetically Christian matches, chat for free, matches that mean something, lifestyles that match yours, see who likes you. Then you just open it up, and then you can see how it looks like. Super easy to create an account. You can then just swipe up and down, so like or swipe. Then you can upgrade. You can see people who liked you. You can see messages. Then you can see your account. You can see your profile. And share Ark with a friend. Get 7 days of premium for free. So here you can just basically use it. And here is my referral code, so feel free to use it. Check out Ark and then just use it like here in here. So that's the idea. Feel free to use it. So then you can see your settings, help and FAQ filters. If you want a premium filters, then you need to upgrade. So 1 month $25, so it's quite expensive app, kind of in the range with more expensive Tinder option. 6 months, 1 week, $15 per week. So here you just have it, and probably it's mostly available in US. Not that many users, to be honest, so you need to be sure where you're using it. But if you're interested in dating Christians or just making friends, making bigger community and all of that, then it's quite a nice app. Again, not that many users, can get quite expensive. And then you just swipe down to that's basically what it is. So there you have it.